Hi, my name's Daniel Garcia. You might remember me from last year's ADE Institute in nice and sunny Bali. So there we are there. And that's a good looking guy over there. Or you might remember me from some of the iTunes U courses that I put online. So I created a lot of iTunes U courses using iBooks that I make with iBooks Author. And they, they happen to get #1 every now and then. And 6 and 5 and 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. But I just thought I'd brag a bit there. But what I want to talk about today is teaching with the iPad and iBooks. Now, I've made a lot of iBooks. I make one for every single class because they're just awesome. But what I want to show you today really quickly is how you can just take one topic, one little idea, and quickly create an iBook. And using the iPad's abilities, you can create an awesome lesson with not much time at all. So as an example, I'm going to do one that I did in geography with weather maps. So we wanted to teach kids how to read a weather map, and all the other teachers were using this sucker here, which is well, it's old. So I wanted to get that idea, that concept, and make it a little bit more interactive, a little bit more engaging. And didn't have much time, so I quickly put together an iBook. So I'm going to show you how simple it is. So let's just bring up my weather maps one here. So the goal was for students to read weather maps, and again, you give them a textbook, they can learn how to read weather maps. Not too much fun. So a few minutes in iBooks Author, and I put together a simple little iBook here. It's interactive. You can touch on it, but we've got the main content here. We've got what they need to know, how to read a weather map. We've got the information there. They can easily search, but I wanted to make it a little bit more exciting. So, put some interactivity in here. But what I really wanted to do is then make it fun. So what I've done here is using the iPad, I can put a whole bunch of information, big screen images there, links, text, all that kind of stuff. Bill Murray, which is obviously important, as well as video too. So I've taken the idea of, all right, reading weather maps. Now let's use the iPad that we've got and actually make it a little bit more interactive. So showing them a video there, which they can see a weather presenter who's talking about reading the weather. And then I'll start to put together a few links here, and I want them to actually become weather presenters. So again, with the iPad here, I've got links that are embedded. They can use apps like Sketch and the photo app to take photos. I've put all those links straight in here, so they only have to use this iBook. They don't have to go anywhere else. And I've found all these great little links, again, that the iPad will link straight to, take photos. And what I've done is I've got them to collect and research a whole bunch of images, live images from webcams, all this kind of stuff here as well. Save that to the iPad, save to the camera roll. I'll show them step by step how to do it. And then it's on there. So that was their first step. And then after that, I wanted them to actually film. And so they've taken all those images that they've used with the iPad, they've gone outside, they've gone into the bush, and they've started to film their own weather reports. So they've used the iPad, they've practiced, they've written a script on the iPad, they've put it all together, they've actually got those images and they've actually overlaid them over their filming, and then they've stand in front of the class and they filmed it and they presented a weather report. And again, more Bill Murray, very important. But what this allowed me to do was get that one concept, that one real simple idea of reading a weather map, grab the iPad, grab those abilities of it, and be able to create a much more interactive, engaging lesson. So yeah, they learn how to read weather maps, cool, but they also learned how to, research data, how to collect data, how to put it together, how to create a movie, how to, speak in front of everybody and present it and be really super confident. And they all did it with this one simple book and this one real simple device. And it was a quick lesson, but they had a blast with it. They learn a lot, and I'm pretty sure they're a lot more confident. They had a lot more fun doing it. And yeah, that was my real quick spiel on how you can get simple little lessons, simple ideas, chuck it on an iPad, iBooks Author, add a few things, camera, video, that kind of stuff, Bill Murray, and just make it a little bit more exciting. And yeah, they loved it. One of my best lessons. So that's what I want to talk about. Cool.
Good morning, my person is on to California. As you can see, Victoria has a high pressure system coming in from the southwest, and a cold front also coming in from the southwest. Queensland's been experiencing heavy storms for scientifically have a large high pressure system just coming into South here. Now to the lightning. There's also very pressure system with a rain over the WA. You can also see the square there.
As you can see, there are clouds covering Victoria, just Brisbane, Australia, and at the south side of Medway. There's also a tropical cyclone heading through the coast of This is a photo of Paradise taken by pressure system. As you can see, there's a little bit of rain. You can see that the weather looks nice. The lack of white caps in the ocean would indicate that there is little or no tomorrow, but it's going to turn out to be a great day.
And the low pressure WA starts to cyclone, over the crossing and wind crossing.
Thursday, the high will continue across southeast Australia, just out, as the low approaches WA, bringing winter rain for Perth and surrounding areas. The south load in Queensland will have disappeared, but leaving behind a lot of rain for far north. On Friday, the high will have moved into the Tasman, with contributions from Victoria, southern Queensland, and south Tasman. The low continues to push from WA into the Bight, leaving rain in Perth. And the wet conditions in far north Queensland and the top end continue. Yeah.
On Monday, it will be a minimum of 8, and then on Tuesday, here is the satellite image of Australia for today.
Borrow your iPad to read it. Alright, well, maybe play enough, borrow your iPad to film.